Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Dodge Charger and I will show you how to completely remove the bottom part of the rear seat. Now, this video should apply to Dodge Chargers made from 2011 all the way up to 2021. Now in my case I will have to remove all of the seat belts, so I have to remove this and I decided to record this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a member. Now there is nothing really holding this bottom piece in place, you just have to lift it up. So first you want to start here on the sides, right? You want to pull this cushion out all the way. So out here in the middle, right, all this is tucked in under the top portion, so you just have to use your fingers, your hand, and pull it out, and this will make it completely loose. You can do the same here and you will do the same on the other side as well. Now once you have this side out on both sides, you will grab the bottom seat from this side and pull it also straight up. Okay, just like that, you see. Like I said, there is no screws, you just have this plastic pin inside this hole, so you just have to pop it out. And you will do the same thing on the other side as well, right? You just have to kind of force it up. This can get quite stuck inside, but that's it, you see. Actually, see, this black insert is actually supposed to be down here, and you're supposed to just pull this part out. You see on the other side what I did, I pulled everything out, but that's not a big deal. I will just insert it back in. But this is the idea. So you have only these two pins that are holding this lower portion. Now you can get it off the way completely and remove it from the car. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.